Once you have your bucket set up for your wash, we have our one Pure Shampoo that you're gonna pour into one of your buckets here. A lot of people like to measure precisely. You really don't need to. You don't wanna overuse it, but you can use a decent amount in the bucket with one shampoo. That'll be typically enough just for what you have within the bucket. If you have a bucket designated for your wheel cleaning tools, a little bit in there helps too with the lubrication suds in the bucket to clean the wheels themselves. First, you're going to rinse the entire vehicle to remove any large dirt or debris that might be on the paint. Be sure to concentrate on any high impact areas such as the bumpers and side skirts. Next up are the wheels. After you've used iCern to loosen any brake dust and iron deposits, we will use an assortment of wheel brushes to agitate and remove any remaining contaminants. Fully saturate a clean wash mitt in your water and one shampoo bucket, then proceed to wipe down the entire car, starting from the top and working your way down. Finally, rinse your vehicle and use your favorite drying method to finish off your wash process. To learn more or order your own, visit www.aensousa.com.